I did bring a pot for her, but I didn't expect her to be this teeny. All right, next on the list, another little shorty. Okay, this is my Snowbank white Blackberry. Right here, you see this box. It's unboxing season. Let's see what we have. I'm supposed to have 4 items in here. One was, I ordered it again. Let me sit down because I am very tired and my back is bothering me, so let's see what we have. Again, I don't like advertising for a company, so they need to hire me so I can be their spokesman. All right, let's look at the first thing that we have on the list. Okay, wow, I expected this to be bigger. All right, this is my Arbequina olive tree. How do you say olive in this Portuguese?
Oliva.
Oliva.
Yeah.
So this is my Arbequina oliva. Mm-hmm. I thought it was going to be taller than this, to be honest, but hey, we're off to a great start. The cool thing with this is I get to plant this in a pot. This is rated for zones 6 to 9. This is actually the first one I ordered. It came, actually no, this is my second one. They had a special called Pi Day. So on Pi Day, $3.14, that's how much shipping was for no matter what the size, it was $3.14. So I had to jump on that. $3.14 for shipping is not bad at all. All right, check her out. She has a little flower. I'm gonna leave her outside and hope that the flower gets fondled, because that's a strawberry. Now these are the white strawberries also. Looks like we have 2 strawberries on here, or 2 flowers. Here's another one. All right, I'm gonna straighten these out. If you're here, all right, we have one more unboxing. Okay, this is my last one.